After Jesus had come back to life, he appeared to his disciples on several different occasions over a period of 40 days. The last time was when the 11 disciples were gathered together on a hill above Lake Galilee. Jesus appeared and encouraged them, telling the disciples that they had a special job to do. Jesus told them that he had to leave and return to heaven, but he promised to send them the power of a special helper, God's Holy Spirit. Jesus was passing his authority to them to be his messengers and to go out into the whole world and tell everyone all about him. Jesus said to his disciples, "Go then and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything that I have commanded you. And surely I am with you always, till the very end of the age." As Jesus spoke, a cloud came down and hid him from sight, and before the disciples' eyes he was lifted up into heaven. As the disciples were looking up into the sky, suddenly 2 men dressed in white stood beside them and said, "Why do you stand here looking into the sky? This same Jesus who has been taken from you will one day come back in the same way that you have seen him go into heaven." Then the disciples walked back to Jerusalem, where they waited for the coming of the Holy Spirit.